Rip apart your apps and rebuild them the way you want by embedding functionality and data from app to app. Aapi makes your favorite app into your dream app. Ever wish you could take all the actions you need to complete a task, all from the app that you use the most, without having to log on and move between other apps? With Aapi, you will experience no more switching between apps to complete a task, no more following undefined processes, no more logons, navigation, and copy-paste. Aapi embedded app functions take the functionality from other apps you use and put them directly and securely into the app you wish they were in. The question is, where do you want to work? Aapi makes virtually any application more usable, including communications platforms like Slack, incident response platforms like PagerDuty, task management systems like Jira, Trello, and Google Tasks, and portal and identity solutions like Okta. Aapi enables users to act on data in any app while having actions happen directly in other apps, all with a single click. Aapi embedded app functions really shine when an event calls for a choice of actions to be taken by a user. Users get exactly what they need to respond when and where they want it. As an example, we will trigger an event for suspicious activity in Okta that will have Aapi send Okta data and appropriate functions directly into Slack to help the user respond to the event. When we report the suspicious activity, we can see data and, more importantly, corresponding actions appear in the app we want to work in this case Slack. In reviewing this incident, we see the event that triggered this incident came from a Russian IP address. Since the employee isn't in or traveling to Russia, we will take immediate action and suspend the account until we fully review the event. As you can see, the user can no longer log in and is suspended. As this is a demo, let's show how simple it is to unsuspend the account if we made a mistake. And the user can now log in as they are unsuspended. Aapi embeds functions into virtually any app. Instead of Slack, we could have chosen to work out of PagerDuty. Or Google Tasks. The choice is yours. The combination of functionality and the apps you can put them in is virtually unlimited and really up to you. How and where do you want to work? Aapi's embedded app functions make any app more usable, users more productive, and data, simply, more secure. Learn more at aapi.io today.